Welcome to the grammar section and writing skills course of Edupom EdTech. You are watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is classified advertisements, in which we are going to talk about how to write a situation vacant. Situation vacant. For example, we have a question here that you are Uttrak or Umesh, a visually challenged person, alright, running a telephone booth in Central Market, Delhi. Give a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words. See, they have specified the word limit, alright. You have to take care of this, that you do not extend the word limit. I repeat, you do not have to extend the word limit. Okay, you must count the words while writing and make it as much as precise and in brief as you can. All right, just don't extend the word limits. All right, so give a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words for a telephone operator in situation vacant column of Delhi Times, offering attractive remuneration. All right. Okay, so let's answer the question. Now, first of all, we are going to write situation vacant here. Okay, on the top of this, you have to write situation vacant. Okay, since you want a telephone operator for your place. Now, you will write the content. What are the requirements? For example, if you want an operator, then you have to mention that a telephone operator is required for a telephone booth. Okay, so a telephone operator is required. Telephone operator is required for a telephone booth. Run by a. That telephone booth is run by. Don't give that double line. Okay, that is not allowed. I am just doing it to make you understand it. Telephone booth run by a visually challenged man. You have to specify, you have to give your details. Okay, a visually challenged man in, specify the place, talk about the place. The place was Central Market. Okay, Central Market, New Delhi. All right, specify the place and then write the expected qualities. For example, since I am talking about a telephone operator, what are the things I would talk about? I will talk about the language, that the person should be fluent in Hindi and English. Okay, and I will talk about the work timings. Okay, I'll talk about the work timings and the days, working days. Okay, and remuneration, no constant for the suitable candidate. You will also talk about what are the perks and the pay scale. Okay, specify that too, and then end with your contact number. These all things will come in, although I wrote it in the form of points, but these all things will come in the form of the paragraph. So you put this in block letters and you start it in a para form and complete it in 50 words as in the question it has been specified. You don't have to make it very much long. It is as short as it can be. All right. This is how you write situation vacant. Okay.